10 minus 1, 9, multiply 10 minus 1, 9 is equal 81. The answer is incorrect. The correct answer is first, use order of operations. Pemdas. P E M D A S. P for parentheses, E for exponents, M and D multiplication and division using left to right, equal priority, addition and subtractions, equal priority left to right. First solve parentheses. 10 minus 1 and 10 minus 1, 9. And first solve multiplication and then subtraction. 10 minus 1 multiply 9, 9 minus 9 is equal 1. The answer is 1.